So sif number 13. After concluding Yehirat Soin prayer, meaning this last paragraph, right? He should stand in place. Well, that's what Israel asks us. In place where he can complete his 3 steps back. So he steps, like some people start moving like this 3 steps back and start walking. That's not Jewish custom, right? With his feet together, as they during Shemoneh Esrei. So nothing changes. So he finished 3 steps back. He does not check his cell phone, does not talk to the people. He stands quietly. Coming to him, Mishnah Brura writes that this is not necessary after one has finished Oyster Shalom prayer. Okay. I'm not sure why he's saying that. Okay, but okay. But if no, Be'er Halacha, it's not Mishnah. Be'er Halacha writes that it is this is not necessary after one finished Oyster Shalom prayer. Okay, so Mishnah Brura says, I mean it's same author. So you're not obligated to stand with your feet together like during Shemoneh Esrei. Okay, and he should not turn his face to the west. That is behind him, and he should not return to his place until Chazan recite the Kiddusha in the repetition of the Shemoneh Esrei. So let me see this behind him, so as not to disturb the concentration of those who are still praying. So basically, don't like some people like usually people feel when somebody is looking at them. Right, so let them finish prayer. So you just look forward and wait until Chazan starts Kiddusha, not repetition itself, but Kiddusha. Right? In his repetition of Shemoneh, until the Chazan reaches Kiddusha, and his repetition of Shemoneh Esrei. Then when he prays alone as well, after stepping back, he should wait the length of time before returning to his place. So commentary. Mishnah Brura writes, 123:11, that in the case of pressing need, one praying alone should wait at least the amount of time it takes to walk 4 amos, between 6.3 and 7.6 feet, 1.93 and 2.3 meters. Okay, so basically it's like 2 seconds. So sometimes that's I count on this leniency. No, it's not leniency, but I count on this, right? Why? Because I'm a little behind. So, but I'm behind, but the Chazan already start repetition, and I'm still in the middle of the prayer, right? I cannot go back here. So, and he close to Kiddusha, so I speed up a little. We're going to say in some cases it is allowed to speed up like your prayer in order to answer Kiddusha. So I stay 3 steps back. And sometimes like 1, 2, like I count to 2 seconds, so I take 3 steps back, forward to start Kiddusha with them. I mean,
another question.
Go ahead. That's
when in the case I am praying alone and I ended the Amidah, I return 3 steps forward to which direction?
Forward.
Oh,
forward,
right.
but what we just said, you have to wait like 2-3 seconds. Don't go right away. Just wait 2-3 seconds and then go. But if we pray in congregation, we have to start. We have to wait until Chazan start Kiddusha. So basically, I don't know, 1 minute from the start or so. Okay. Okay, so it was 69. Continue. If he's standing in a narrow or crowded area, and similarly, if it is a day of Putim, when Putim are recited, he may return to his place when Chazan begins the repetition of the Shemoneh Esrei. So let's see the commentary and we explain. Such as during Rosh Hashanah and Yom Kippur. So it's Rosh Hashanah and Yom Kippur, it's a different thing. So
Okay.
So on one second, let me finish. So on Rosh Hashanah and Yom Kippur, we don't say Kiddusha until later on. So there are like other things that we say in the middle. So let me finish it. Since it is difficult for him to stand in one place for the lengthy putim that are recited before the Kiddusha. So it's like, I don't know, 10, 15, maybe 20 minutes. I don't know how long. He may return to his place earlier. So it's like exception. Okay, go ahead.
In regards to, let's say, Rosh Hashanah and Yom Kippur. Okay, we'll go Rosh Hashanah. You can't sit during Musaf.
You can see during repetition of the Shemoneh Esrei, you can see it. In some places you can see it, yes.
Oh, okay, understood.
Even during the I mean, we're going to get to it. Even during the regular repetition Shemoneh Esrei. I mean, it's proper to stand with like you stand when you pray Shemoneh Esrei. That's the most proper way. But if somebody is weak, he does not feel well, he can see. There is no problem. It's not like a prohibition, no?
Understood.
Okay, so but in the case of this long putim, meaning it's Rosh Hashanah Yom Kippur, he may return to his place when Chazan begins his repetition of Shemoneh Esrei. Okay, so meaning it's not very long time. So he starts Shemoneh Esrei, so this person can go from forward 3 steps. Okay.